I stop my car at the gas station. I stop my car at the gas station.
I turn off the engine. I turn off the engine.
I check the gas price. I check the gas price.
I choose the fuel type. I choose the fuel type. I pick up the gas pump. I pick up the gas pump.
I put gas in my car. I put gas in my car.
I wait for the tank to fill. I wait for the tank to fill.
I pay for the gas.
Okay, thank you.
I pay for the gas.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I check the tire pressure. I check the tire pressure.
I wash my car. I wash my car.
I clean the car window. I clean the car window. I look for my favorite snack. I look for my favorite snack.
I buy some snacks. I buy some snacks.
I choose a fresh sandwich. I choose a fresh sandwich.
I open the drink fridge. I open the drink fridge.
I buy a bottle of water. I buy a bottle of water.
I make a cup of coffee. I make cup of coffee.
I buy a bag of ice. I buy a bag of ice.
I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash.
I wash my hands. I wash my hands.
I check the map on my phone. I check the map on my phone.
I stretch my body. I stretch my body.
I eat a sandwich in my car. I eat a sandwich in my car. I leave the gas station. I leave the gas station.